I see they cooked that. Look at this.
I've heard that referred to as a plumber's signature.
You betcha. I used pipe wrench on it. That's for sure. That's the nasty end. I got to take the stator out. So if it don't spin, then yeah, I'm going to have a big problem. I got to get it to roll and then put some soap in, suck it through so it's slippery, and then I can take it off. It's turning. Just as long as everything else is turning with it. And it is, okay. And that rotor looks like it's brand new. Look at that.